friends, welcome to another daily series of the Vivid Vision on this day, wherein we shall present world's most interesting and important events every day. These events have long-lasting impacts in one way or the other. So without further ado, I am Kairi and let's begin on this day. International Tiger Day is observed every year on July 29 to spread awareness about the need for conservation of tigers and to promote the protection for their natural habitat. This day is also known as Global Tiger Day. July 29 is the NASA Foundation Day. Today in 1958, the President Eisenhower signed the National Aeronautics and Space Act. The NASA began operations on 1st October 1958. Mohun Bagan is a major Indian multi-sports club in Kolkata. It was founded in 1889 and its football section is the oldest football club in India as well as Asia. The club celebrates 29th July since 2001 in honor of its victory over East Yorkshire Regiment. Today in 2015, Microsoft launched Windows 10 version. One of Windows 10's most notable features is its support for universal apps. As of July 2020, it is estimated that 74% of Windows-based PCs are running on the version of Windows 10. The legendary businessman of India and the ex-chairman of Tata Group, J.R.D. Tata was born today in Paris. He is also known for being the founder of several industries under the Tata Group, including TCS, Tata Motors, Titan Industry, Tata Salt, Voltas and Air India. MH370 was a Malaysian Airlines flight took off at Kuala Lumpur for Beijing, and after 38 minutes of departure, the aircraft lost all communication with ATC. Since then, it has not been discovered, and the case is unsolved for more than 6 years. However, today, in 2015, the starboard flaperon was discovered in Western Indian Ocean, and it was positively identified as a part of flight MH370. In 2005, planetary scientists formally announced the discovery of what was believed to be the 10th planet, but it was later designated as a dwarf planet and given the name Eris. It is the second largest known dwarf planet in the solar system. In 1987, British Prime Minister and President of France signed the agreement to build a tunnel under the English Channel, which is known as Eurotunnel. In 1987, Prime Minister of India Rajiv Gandhi and President of Sri Lanka J. Jayawardene signed the Indo-Sri Lanka Accord on ethnic issues between Tamils and Sinhalese. This accord resulted into sending of Indian peacekeeping force to Sri Lanka. Benito Mussolini, an infamous Italian politician and journalist, who was the leader of the National Fascist Party, was born today in northern Italy. He ruled as the Prime Minister of Italy from 1922 until his deposition in 1943. Today in 1921, Adolf Hitler was granted nearly absolute power as the Nazi Party's sole leader. He held the post for the remainder of his life. The Nazi Party grew rapidly under Hitler's leadership and later came into power in 1933 with Hitler as a chancellor. An International Atomic Energy Agency was established today in 1957 by UN as an autonomous organization, seeks to promote the peaceful use of nuclear energy and to inhibit its use for any military purpose, including nuclear weapons. The IAEA has its headquarters in Vienna, Austria. India is also member of IAEA since 1957. After the Islamic Revolution of 1979, today in 1980, Iran adopted the three-colored flag under the leadership of Ayatollah Khomeini. In 1981, His Royal Highness Charles, the Prince of Wales, wedded Lady Diana Spencer at London. And that was the video, friends. Show us your support by subscribing to our channel. Also, let us know any ideas or suggestions for further videos in the comment section. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Thank you. See you tomorrow.